If you're over 60 and feeling less steady lately, when walking, turning, or even standing still, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Balance loss isn't just getting old. In fact, in most cases, it's about specific systems in your body that have gone quiet simply because they haven't been used enough. These include the small muscles in your ankles, your side-to-side stability control, and even your inner ear's reflexes that keep you steady when you move your head. In today's video, we'll show you exactly why these 3 exercises work so fast, and how to activate those forgotten systems in just a few focused minutes a day. No pills, no gym, no complicated routines. Just simple, science-backed moves that help you walk more confidently, reduce your risk of falls, and feel strong on your feet again, starting today. So, why do these 3 exercises deliver results so quickly, sometimes in just days? Because they don't just strengthen muscles, they reactivate systems that control your balance from multiple angles. Let's break that down. Heel walks target your ankle dorsiflexors, the muscles that lift your toes when you walk. These often weaken with age, and when they do, you start catching your feet on carpets or small steps. Rebuilding this function reduces tripping and helps you clear your feet with each step. Side-to-side shifts retrain your body's ability to manage lateral stability. Most falls don't happen straightforward, they happen when turning or shifting weight. This move helps your brain and hips learn how to respond to sideways movement again. Head turns on one leg stimulate your vestibular reflex, the system in your inner ear that tells your body where it is in space. By turning your head while balancing, you teach your brain to adapt and stabilize even during motion, just like in real life. Here's what makes this powerful. These exercises mimic real-world challenges your body faces every day, and they do it in a controlled, safe, and targeted way. That's why you can start feeling the difference not in weeks, but in days, and it's why we're going to guide you through them step by step right now. Let's begin with one of the most overlooked, but powerful, balance moves, walking on your heels. Why it works. As we age, we tend to shuffle. That's often because the muscles responsible for lifting our toes, the ankle dorsiflexors, get weaker. This simple move wakes them back up. Here's how to do it. Stand tall near a wall or sturdy surface for support. Lift your toes so they're off the ground, while your heels stay in contact with the floor. Begin walking slowly forward, keeping those toes lifted the entire time. Let your arms swing naturally. It helps with rhythm and coordination. Try 10 to 15 steps, then rest and repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. What you should feel. A stretch and burn at the front of your ankles and shins. That's a good sign your dorsiflexors are activating. You might also feel yourself thinking harder than expected. That's your nervous system re-engaging. Tips for safety and success. Keep your gaze forward, not down. Stay near a hallway or countertop in case you feel unsteady. Move slowly. This is not a race. Control is more important than speed. If walking is too much, try standing in place and lifting your toes repeatedly. This one small change, lifting your toes with intention, can dramatically reduce your chances of tripping over obstacles you don't even see. And once you get this back, your walk will feel lighter and more secure. Now we move to a foundational skill most people don't even realize they've lost: side-to-side control. Why it matters. Most falls happen not when walking straight, but when turning, changing direction, or reacting to something sideways, like stepping off a curb or reaching sideways for support. This exercise retrains your body's natural ability to shift weight smoothly and safely from one leg to the other, a crucial skill for stability. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, near a chair or wall for safety. Let your arms relax naturally at your sides. Slowly begin shifting your weight to the right leg, letting your left foot feel lighter, but keep both feet flat. Pause. Then slowly shift to the left, letting the right foot lighten. Breathe normally and move slowly. Let your body feel each transition. Repeat for 10-12 shifts each direction. What you should focus on. Feel the soles of your feet pressing into the floor. Notice how your hips, knees, and ankles react. Stay tall. Don't collapse your side when shifting. Adaptations and progressions. At first, you can use your hands for support. Over time, try removing one hand, then both. To increase difficulty, close your eyes for a second only when stable, or try doing it on a slightly softer surface like a yoga mat. What you're training? Your lateral stability muscles, including your hips and ankle stabilizers. Your proprioception, the body's internal sense of position. And your mental connection to movement, helping prevent hesitation in real-life situations. This simple side shift is deceptively powerful. It helps you regain the kind of smooth balance control that keeps you safe in daily movements, from navigating crowds to turning in the kitchen. Our final move is all about challenging your inner ear balance system and your coordination under real-life conditions. Why it matters. In daily life, you don't just stand still. You move your head to look around, crossing a street, turning to speak, or reacting to sounds. But for many seniors, just turning the head while standing can trigger unsteadiness. This exercise retrains your vestibulo-ocular reflex, the system that keeps you steady when your head moves. Here's how to do it. Stand near a wall or counter. Shift your weight onto one foot and lift the other just slightly off the ground. Once steady, slowly turn your head left, then right, as if you're saying no. Keep your eyes open and fixed on a point in front of you. Try for 5-10 head turns while holding balance. Switch legs and repeat. What to expect? You may feel a bit more challenged on one side than the other. That's normal. You might feel your ankle working hard to stabilize. That's a good sign. If you lose balance, just step down gently and try again. Safety tips. Always have a hand near support, a wall, chair, or counter. Never force it. Stop if you feel dizzy. Start with just 2 or 3 head turns if needed and build up. Progressions. Try pausing briefly at the end of each head turn. Later, add gentle yes nods, up and down, for added challenge. Over time, aim to hold the stance for 20-30 seconds. This move reactivates the exact systems that keep you steady in real life, when crossing a street, turning quickly, or reacting to something unexpected. And once your vestibular reflex sharpens, everyday movements become safer and more confident. You've just completed 3 of the most effective exercises for rebuilding balance after 60. And here's the key. They don't just work your muscles. They retrain the systems in your ankles, hips, and brain to respond better, faster, and more confidently in real life. Every time you lift your toes during heel walks, shift your weight side to side, or balance with a moving head, you're giving your nervous system the signal to reawaken. And that's what real balance training is about, making your body smarter, not just stronger. So what now? Repeat this routine daily. It only takes a few minutes, and it works best with consistency. Focus on progress, not perfection. Even if you wobble or need support, every try helps. And remember, your body is designed to adapt, even at 60, 70, 80, and beyond. Now imagine yourself walking with more ease, turning corners without hesitation, feeling confident in your step. That future is possible, and it starts with these first small steps. If this routine helped you feel more steady, give it a like and share it with someone you care about. Leave a comment below. I'm retraining my balance. We'd love to hear how you're doing. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed, senior-focused routines, all designed to keep you strong, steady, and independent. Until next time, stay tall, stay steady, and remember, you're not losing your balance. You're just learning how to get it back.